Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Jntuk Kakinada, first Btech, r23 రెగ్యులేషన్. బీడబ్ల్యూ సబ్జెక్ట్ అనేటువంటిది ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఫస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్లో ఈసీ వాళ్ళకి అండ్ ఏఐఎంఎల్ వాళ్ళకి ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అండ్ మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ వాళ్ళకి ఉండటం జరుగుతుంటుంది. సెకండ్ సెమిస్టర్లో సిఎస్సి బ్రాంచ్ వాళ్ళకి ఉండటం అనేది జరిగింది. యూనిట్ వైజ్ టాపిక్స్ ఇక్కడ మనకి పార్ట్ ఏ పార్ట్ బి అని 2 కాలమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. పార్ట్ ఏలో బేసిక్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్లో యూనిట్ 1 డీసీ అండ్ ఏసీ సర్క్యూట్స్. డీసీ సర్క్యూట్స్, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సర్క్యూట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ఎల్సి, ఓమ్స్ లా అండ్ ఇట్స్ లిమిటేషన్స్, కేసీఎల్ అండ్ కేవీఎల్, సిరీస్ ప్యారలల్ సర్క్యూట్స్, సూపర్పొజిషన్ థియరం, simple numerical problems, AC circuits, AC fundamentals, equation of AC voltage and current, waveform, time period, frequency, amplitude, phase difference, average value, RMS value, form factor, peak factor, voltage and current relationship with phasor diagram in RLC circuits, concept of impedance, active power, reactive power, apparent power, concept of power factor, simple numerical problems. Unit 2 missions and measuring instruments. Missions, construction, principle and operation of DC motor, DC generator, single phase transformer, 3-phase induction motor and alternative applications of electrical missions. Measuring instruments, construction, working principle of permanent magnet moving coil, moving iron instrument and Wheatstone bridge. Unit 3 energy resource, electrical bill and safety measures. Energy resource, conventional and non-conventional energy resources, layout and operation of variable power generation system, ideal, nuclear, solar and wind power generation. Electrical bill, power rating of household appliances including air conditioners, PCs, laptops, printers, etc. Definition of unit used for consumption of electrical energy, 2-part electricity, tariff, calculation of electricity bill for domestic consumers, equipment safety measures, working principle of fuse and miniature circuit breaker, merits and demerits, personal safety measures, electric shocks, earthing and its types, safety precautions to avoid shock. Part B basic electronics engineering, unit 1 semiconductor devices. Introduction, evolution of electronics, vacuum tubes of nano electronics, characteristics of PN junction diode, Zener effect, Zener diode and its characteristics, bipolar junction, transistor, CB, CE, CC configurations and characteristics, elementary treatment of small single CE amplifier. Unit 2 basic electronics and instrumentation, rectifiers and power supply, block diagram description of a DC power supply working a full wave bridge rectifier, capacitor filter, working of simple Zener voltage regulator, amplifiers, block diagram of public address system, circuit diagram and working of common emitter RC coupled amplifier with its frequency response, electronic instrumentation, block diagram of electronic instrumentation system. Unit 3, digital electronics, overview of number system, logic gates including universal gates, BCD codes, XS3 code, gray code, Hamming code, Boolean algebra, basic theorem and properties of Boolean algebra, truth tables and functionality of logic gates, not, OR, A and NOR nor, NA and NAND, XOR and XNOR, simple combination circuits, off and full address, introduction to sequential circuits, flip-flops, registers and counters, elementary treatment only. Everyone should be followed by these textbooks in your library, reference books. Examination pattern.